Hey there, what's the biggest fear that I think a lot of people have when it comes to video marketing and creating videos? Hi there, my name's Andrew Plimmer from andrewplimmer.com. I hope you're having an awesome day. I'm coming to you from my home office here on the Sunshine Coast in Australia. It's just an absolutely beautiful day outside, as it always is most days here. If you want to learn, I'm passionate about affiliate marketing. I'm passionate about helping other people get started in affiliate marketing. I've been affiliate marketing for many years. So if you're interested in affiliate marketing and starting an online business, please subscribe to this channel, click the bell for updates. And of course, down below there's a link to my website, which will take you to a course that I think is the best course without doubt when it comes to starting an online business and affiliate marketing. So yeah, look, there's many things that people are fearful of, especially when it comes to video. I mean, I'm still a little bit, how's your father when it comes to video, but I realised a little while ago that I had to sort of step forward and step out of my comfort zone, because video, in my opinion, when it comes to internet marketing, is where it's at. Of course, there are other mediums, of course, and other platforms, but for me, it's video. And but I think one of the biggest fears is what people think. What you worry about what people might think of you when you shoot a video, especially if you're sort of giving your opinion and you're speaking from the heart and you're passionate about what you're saying. You can sometimes be. I think people are sometimes quite frightened about what other people might think. And excuse the language in advance, but really you shouldn't be giving two fucks about what anybody else thinks about what you're doing. If you think it's right and you're it's coming from your heart, and you're helping others achieve their goals, I mean, don't care, don't worry about what anybody else thinks of you, because that's their opinion. And you'll find that most of the time, if anybody is critical and perhaps say nasty things in your comments, it's because they haven't got the balls or the courage to get up in front of a camera themselves and speak their truth. So look, I mean, I know it's easier said than done, but you just cannot and should not worry about what other people think. Take imperfect action, as I always say. Take your first video if you haven't done already. If you've done your first, second, third, 10th, it doesn't matter. Just keep on going, and you'll get better and you'll overcome all your fears. And as they say, if you're stepping outside of your comfort zone, for those stepping outside of their comfort zone, that's when you're growing. That's when you're sort of getting better. So, always step outside of your comfort zone, challenge fear head on, and most definitely don't worry about what other people think about you and what you're saying. So I hope you're having an awesome day. If you got some cold nuggets out of this video, please like, share and comment. As usual, I really, really appreciate you. I love you, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks again for watching. Bye now.